What's up, best friends? I woke up this morning feeling very grateful for how my life has changed completely because of trading. I went from being an average trader to being a consistently profitable trader. I used to be among majority of other traders who constantly lost their money to the market. However, my trading game changed completely when I discovered these 5 trading habits that has made me a consistently profitable trader over time. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you these 5 very simple habits that has made me a consistently profitable trader. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. One of the 5 habits that literally changed my trading game completely is having a routine. Now, I know this sounds cliche, but it isn't. Having a routine practically enables you to be productive and effective at whatever it is you decide to do. For example, you have a set time that you have to be awake no matter how you feel, no matter how much you want to stay in bed. You have a set time at which you have to get out of bed except you're sick, right? Another example is having a set time at which you have to be on your chart, to get set for the day, get your analysis done, get your risk management in place, and the rest of the other things that you have to do before you get into a trade. Now, doing this basically shapes your mind in a way at which it knows when it's supposed to be awake, it knows when it's supposed to be working, it knows when it's supposed to be relaxing, it knows when you are supposed to be doing whatever it is that you have planned, and this as well helps you to be consistent at whatever it is that you want to do. Now, it is literally scientifically proven that having a daily routine aids productivity and consistency at whatever it is you want to do. Now, this very single habit is already putting you on the path to success in trading, because for you to succeed in trading, you have to be consistent, which is why you need a routine that allows you to be able to do one thing or numerous things consistently, right? That is why you need a routine. Now, which also brings me to the next point, which is discipline. It is easy to set all of these routines, right? It's easy to say, you know what, I'm going to be awake by 6 in the morning, I'm going to be awake by 7 in the morning, or whatever time it is that you choose to wake up, right? But then without discipline, it will be hard for you to get all of these things done. Now, this is what I did that basically helped me to be disciplined with my routine and every other aspect of my life, right? One of the things that I did was to set a reward and the consequences for what I did. For example, if I stick to my routine during the day, I treat myself to something that I enjoy doing. For example, I enjoy buying myself things. If I'm able to consistently stay disciplined for a week, it means that by the end of the week, I'm going to get myself something that I like. And if I don't do it, I punish myself by not, buying those things for myself or depriving myself of something that I really want. For example, I enjoy withdrawing from my trading account every Friday, just as a reward for the work done and for taking as much risk that I take every day that I'm on the chart, which as well brings me to the next point, which is risk management, right? Now, for you to be successful in trading, you have to have your risk management under control at all times. You cannot be risking 1% today and then go ahead to risk 5% tomorrow or even 20% tomorrow. Now, let's say, for example, you typically risk just 2% of your account per trade, and one day you decide to risk 5% of your capital on a single trade, and that trade goes against you, and then you have, let's say, 5 consecutive losses. It means now you are down 25% on your account, which, to be honest, can take a toll on your trading psychology, right? Nobody wants to lose the account, especially when that account is pretty much all you've got, all that you're banking on for your trading success. Now, all of these things put together basically pulls you back from being able to achieve your trading goals. I would say that have a consistent risk management plan. Don't go around risking 2% today, 5% tomorrow, 10% tomorrow. It is basically going to hinder you from being able to consistently profit from the markets. The next thing that you need is to have a very detailed trading plan, because without it, I can assure you, you're just going to do whatever it is that comes your way. And if there's anything that the market likes the most, it is spontaneous people like that who basically, click buy here, click sell there. It's more money for the market, but less money for you, because you are not disciplined, you have no trading plan, you have no risk management, you're just doing as you wish. It means that you can get stuck in a range, you can get stuck, you have no clear direction. It is going to hinder you from being able to consistently profit from the market. Whereas on the other hand, if you have a trading plan of, let's say, you know what, I'm only going to trade a certain pattern consistently, I'm only going to trade a certain strategy consistently, I am only going to trade London session, I'm only going to trade New York, I'm only going to trade between London and New York. I'm going to stay away from the chart when certain things are happening. That way, you have a clear plan of what you want to do. You can better prepare for what you want to do that way. What's left for you to do is to figure out how exactly you're going to do that thing that you have planned to do, right? Failure to plan is a plan to fail. Show me a consistently profitable trader and I'll show you a trader who has a detailed plan on what exactly he wants to do with his trading account and how he is going to go about it, right? When you have a trading plan, you know the how you want to achieve your goals. That being said, the very last habit that has helped me to be consistently profitable in trading is having a defined entry and exit plan. I know where exactly I want to get into the market and I know where I'm looking to exit. I have all of my trading guidelines. Now, all of these 5 very simple habits has allowed me to be consistently profitable over time, right? It has allowed me to consistently pass trading challenges, get funded across different prop firms, and make consistent profits from the market. Now, this is not to say that I never take losses. Sometimes I do take losses, but I can assure you that no matter how much losses I take, it is nothing compared to how much money I have been able to make from trading in the financial market. Now, as a bonus, one of the very simple habits that has allowed me to be consistently profitable in trading is being a member of a trading community, right? It has allowed me to learn from other traders, interact with other traders, learn from the mistakes of other traders, learn from the success stories of other traders, and also allow me, get trading ideas and live updates from, traders who are more experienced than myself, right? So I strongly recommend joining the trading community in the description below. In this community, I constantly share live trading updates with my members, constantly engage with my members, help them become better traders. We are currently on a 5-week winning streak in the community, right? Just last week, I called out a trade on EuroJPY where we made over 875 pips on one single setup. Yesterday, I called a trade setup in the community, a Euro AUD short, right? And we made over 100 pips on that sales as well. In my last video, I did a chart breakdown of what exactly I am expecting on the chart for this week, and if you can refer to that video linked up here, right? So go on ahead, click the link in the description below and join the Telegram trading community so that you can receive live trading updates with other members in the community and also be able to interact with me personally and with other traders in the community. Now, if you have followed along this long, it is likely because you are enjoying the video and you find it useful. So please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I am trying to grow the channel to 100 subscribers before the end of this month of April, right? So please support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.